Hi everyone, welcome to my Tech Outbit channel. So in this tutorial we are going to see how to install a Git version in our Ubuntu machines. So for that we need to run the blow command sudo apt and get install git. So it will install the latest git versions into your machine. To check the git versions, git hyphen version command, which help us to check git version. So in my machine I have installed git version 2.17.1. Thereafter we can run our git commands like git init. So it will initialize the git package in our directory, right? Git help command help us do what all the commands we can run and what commands do what. So these are the things we can check. So very frequently we will use the commands or git init, this one, and git add to add the files into the git. So for that let me run on command new file.txt. So I have created one new file in my git directory. So I'm going to, when I run git status command, it will show untracked file list. So untracked file list, I need to include these new files into my git commits. So right now we are on in the master branch. To add the new file into our git repository, so add git add command help us to add all the untracked and modified files into git status. So when I run git status, now the command changed into green color and it shows it to commit. So no committed. Now we are going to yet to commit our first comments. So to commit our changes, we can use this command. First commit, create a new file. So this is my commit command. When I hit enter, it will show what all the changes we have done in this commit. So new one file has been ordered. There is no insertion and deletions. It will also create a 6-digit value against the new added files and new modified and inserted files. Next we run the git log command. We can see what commit we have done. And one more command, you can see the log in very single line. That's one line command. It will give you the commit id and branch, which branch we are heading right now, and the last commit id. So these are the basic command which we can use to run in our git repository to add a new files and commit the changes and push. And one more thing, we have to push command that used to push our local staged files into our centralized git. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.